So where do you see yourself and your company 20 years from now?
So good question. One, I got to get me out of the business. So the brand is me, because I don't think in 20 years I'll be in my 60s. I don't think someone wants to buy an internet marketing course from an old 60-year-old guy. So we're going to have to rebrand the organization. And so what I'm going to start doing is we'll have different products, but I'll have different people creating those products. And then the second piece is, which we're relaunching now, is telling you, is we're relaunching our digital agency, focusing on things like marketing automation as well as funnel design. Because that's the future. It was also the past. I mean, we were doing it, but in different ways. Now it's just automated. But the thing is, the business owners don't understand that. And with the speed of the internet and the things that we can do on the internet, and with now you've got these millennials that are going to be in 20 years, they're going to be 40 and 50. Those guys have a totally different buying process than people from, 10 years ago. So we're going to be offering those kinds of solutions. So we'll have a brick and mortar type of business, and we'll also have our online digital business as well. And on Amazon, the goal then is to have, 500, 600, 1,000 products selling on Amazon.